And we're gonna get started with the intro of this dance, which is 2 counts of 8, and we'll demonstrate before we break it down. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So beginning this dance, follower, you're going to start on the right-hand side, top of the dance floor. Leader, you're gonna start already on the dance floor. So for my leader, you're just gonna stay in place while your follower comes to meet you. And then once your follower gets close enough, you can offer your right hand. So we walk in for about 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Follower, take the leader's right hand with your left hand, and then we're going to start walking around them counterclockwise. So this is going to be 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that I'm leaving my hand on my partner's shoulder and just tracing his shoulder as I go around. And then leader is bringing that left arm up so we can get into our dance frame, and we're ready to go into our pattern 1. So a little note for my leaders, as I'm coming around, or as your follower is coming around, you want your right arm to come up and kind of assist your partner in getting in front of you, and then it's also going to get us into our frame a lot easier. And then we're ready for our pattern 1, which we'll demonstrate and then break down.